Let's learn simple past tense. This is the third video on simple past tense and the last video. Here in this section, we learned two sets of sentences. First in simple present and simple past. Now, under simple present, we have a few sentences so that we learn how to use simple present. Then we have a few sentences under simple past that let you know how to write a sentence in simple past. He reads a book is in simple present. He is a singular subject followed by a singular verb. That is why we say he reads a book. In past tense it becomes he read a book. Second one, she writes a novel. She is singular subject which is followed by a singular verb. That is why we say writes. She writes a novel. In simple past it becomes she wrote a novel. They walk towards the podium. Now here in the sentence they is a subject which is plural in form. As we know that the subject is plural, it should be followed by a plural verb, that is walk. So you say they walk towards the podium. The same sentence when we change into simple past tense, it becomes they walked towards the podium. Susan teaches French. Susan is a singular subject which is followed by a singular verb, teaches, where we should know that es is added to the word or verb teach so that it becomes teaches. Susan teaches French, and in simple past it becomes Susan taught French. Tony speaks the truth. Tony again is a singular subject which is followed by a singular verb which is speaks. Understand that singular subject always followed by a singular verb. So that is why we say Tony speaks the truth. Now the same sentence when we change into simple past tense, it becomes Tony spoke the truth. We break the rules. We is plural subject. We should be followed by a plural verb. That is why we write break. Now we break the rules, we say in simple present. In simple past it becomes we broke the rules. So where we simply change break into past tense and we write broke. I see a panther. I is a singular subject which is here followed by see, which is a plural verb. As we have already learned, we know that whenever I and you come in subject position, it should always be followed by a plural verb. So we write I see a panther. Now in past tense it becomes I saw a panther. Hope this was useful. So remember this point in mind. A singular subject takes a singular verb where s or es is added to the verb in order to show that the verb is in simple present tense. I and you, when come in subject position, it should be followed by a plural verb. And that is the reason why I and you always follow a plural verb. Hope this section is clear. Thank you.